What's good, billionaire fam? It's Keto Billions, and in this video I'm braiding some hair. I don't know what else I'm gonna be doing, but I want to talk about how YouTube is going to change my life. And if you are inspired to be a content creator, don't mind my ashiness around my face. I just washed, but if you want to be a content creator, if you have ever had thoughts about being a content creator, then I'm gonna need you to watch this video all the way through, okay? Because there's a lot of things that I've realized that would make YouTube a full-time paycheck. And it's like, man, why didn't I think about this like when I first got started? Why didn't I realize this? The main thing, like, it's really just common sense. Why did I not realize this? But anyways, let me give you a little backstory before we get into it. Like I said, I'm doing hair. It's dark, it's early. So yeah, it's real dark. I'm doing hair. I'm about to do some fat dookie braids, knotless style. When I first started YouTube, it was just to get my business out there. It was just to spread the word about me being a hair braider. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. Back in that time, YouTube was not that popular and YouTube was not paying money. And so listen, if you want to learn how to increase your money on YouTube, just listen to my story. I'm gonna tell you exactly what I do, like really what I do, because you can't just post videos and think that it's gonna work for you. And it's my honest truth. I wasn't really taking it serious, I would just put a couple of pictures because video wasn't, a thing back then. I was just putting a couple of pictures together and, making it into a little video collage. And so I did that. And honestly, I did that like once. And that video ended up getting like 14,000 views. And I was like, wow, let me take this serious. And so I started to do like a summer braids series, because back then for me it was just all about braids. I didn't keep that up. I didn't continue that. I ended up going to school, working a couple jobs, things of that nature. At this one particular job, I ran into this guy that was also that had also got into YouTube. And at this time, YouTube was paying like a whole bag, and I was seeing it for myself, because the guy that was working at my job, he would show me his paycheck, like what he would get paid from YouTube. And I'm like, oh my God, I gotta get back in. And so I started doing my research. I learned how to be a YouTuber. I was just learning how to be a YouTuber. And that's how, like, if you look on my videos, that's how I'm able to create the way that I'm creating, because I took the time to learn, and I'm still learning, because it ain't even all that, if I'm being honest. It's not. But either way, I took the time to learn how a video should be, and also over time I realized how my videos should be, because before I was just posting long clips of the same thing, and people don't want to see that. People don't want to see that. They want to see you switching things up. And so I had to learn how to cut my video clips real short. And so I learned how to become a YouTuber, and I started creating content. I started putting more content out there. And at this time, I honestly didn't know what to do, because I didn't have a clientele. My kids wasn't really old enough for me to do their hair, although I could have, but I didn't do that. I was just playing around with it. And so I started doing what do you call it? Teaching people how to braid, showing my technique. I started showing people my technique. And that it helped a lot. And then I eventually got people from my job to do their hair so that I can grow my channel. And that helped a lot, you know, like my braids was getting a lot of views, but I was not getting a lot of money. This one particular thing might have helped me back then, had I known, had I, you know, would have just did it that way. And it's basically strategically being consistent, posting every single day. Now, posting every single day is very helpful, but your videos have to be worth watching. Your videos have to be worthwhile. And that's what I realized. And that's why I want to make this video, because it's like, man, I didn't know that. I mean, it's like, honestly, it's like common sense. If you want to grow, you just work at something every single day. You want to grow, you just work at something every single day. So guess what? You just post every day. But you know, when you're trying to figure things out, it don't click like that, because I was just figuring things out. But needless to say, today I'm posting every single day. And I started posting every single day since, I believe, November. Was it November? No, December. Might have been December. I started posting since December. And what I've realized is that when I was posting in the past, I was posting like maybe once a week, you know. I'll say that. I was posting once a week, and that wasn't doing nothing for my channel but gaining me subscribers. That was it. I was not getting paid. You get paid from views. You get paid from people actually literally just sitting and watching your videos through. Letting ads pop up, skipping and watching. That's how you get paid here on YouTube. It took for me to post every single day in order to realize this pattern. Okay, every time I post, my money increased by the day. It increases by the day. That's insane, because like YouTube is nothing but a math problem. The more views you get, the more it adds up. And speaking of views, like you only get paid per 1,000 views. So once you get up in the thousands, yeah, you know, you're gonna make some cha-ching, cha-ching. If I was to start YouTube all over again, I would post things, I would post videos that people are searching for first. I would do what tickles the algorithm. I would do what gets the algorithm moving. Because the name of the game is getting views. No views, no cha-ching. I would also post once a day. As I grow, I would probably increase that to posting, uploading 2-3 times a day. And that should do it. And then once you've grown, well, once I've grown, I would start to slowly branch off to doing what it is that I want to do, which is me. I just want to share my knowledge, and I just want to basically just share my knowledge and help other people to know and discover things that I take the time to learn and study in order to live a much better life on this planet. I'm using that hair growth. No, I'm using that divine edge control. You feel me? I'm using that divine edge control because I don't have no braid gel. Don't ever do that. Don't use no braid gel to do no, if you're a braider. Don't use no braid gel to do no to do no knotless braids. To do no braids, period. It's strictly for your edges, okay? Strictly for your edges. Don't do it. Only reason why I'm doing it is because I forgot to go to the store to get some braid gel. So here I am, stuck doing what I'm telling you not to do. But anyways, now, you know, I just want to share knowledge, and based off of my learnings, I've only realized what's working for me because of my consistency. But had I just continued to upload the way that I've been uploading, I would still be like, man, why is this not working for me? To now realizing, okay, in order for my money to, because I used to, like, I would post one video and that video would get like 10,000 views and not make, man, had I known this when my videos was getting 10,000 views, I could have made it. I could have made it. Because when I was doing back then when I was doing my braid videos, every upload I was getting like 10,000 views. But I didn't know that I needed to post every single day. I was just posting whenever, you know. I didn't have a game plan, you know. And I worked so hard for my subscribers, and I worked so hard to be able to get the amount of views that I was getting. And so now, honestly, it's like I'm starting all over again, for real, but just on the same channel. And so now I just have to, the name of the game right now is to remain consistent, remain relevant, continue to post. And one thing that I wanted to say too is what helped me a lot in my journey. When I'm not able to upload a video, I go live. And it's something else that I do too, but because that counts as an upload as well. I started doing these braids at about 6 a.m. It is 8:30, almost 9 o'clock, and I'm about to run out of hair, so that means I might have to go in the store. So far, the braids they're giving. Very uniform, very demure. I just don't like that I had to use braid gel to do this. Mommy. But either way, it still came out fine with or without the braid gel. Period. What?
Don't put my arm there.
Yeah, they want to come pop up in my video when I'm recording.
Smell of your perfume. I thought I was immune. Looking around this room, can't help but see the traces of you.
All right. So, I was supposed to get a final look of my braids that I did, but I forgot. Anyways, I got my juice right here. We gonna see. We gonna see how they did. We gonna see. Can I drink my juice, please?
It
smells really good.
Hey! I gotta get a cup of water.
Let's see.
Where was I go?
So I have cucumber, kale, beets, a carrot, apple. Get the door.
Okay.
And I think I said everything. Yeah, but let's see how it tastes. And pineapple. Oh, hey, girl, hey, welcome to the vlog. Welcome to the
No, she didn't. You got me walking in. Hi, Papa. How are you?
So the braid gel that I use is this right here. Did what it look like. Best of the best. Don't use edge control like me. Use this. Now, if you've gotten this far into the video, don't judge me, because when you get your braids done, they're not supposed to be loose. Otherwise, they're gonna look like you had them in for about a month already. And you know, that's never the goal. The goal is fresh. So I'm making sure to grip her hair very firmly.
Got me in the mirror like Keita. It just giving late, Keita. Girl, I'm telling everybody, Keita, Keita, Keita billions.
Yay, first row completed. I finished her entire head last night, but I was super tired. And honestly, I forgot to record the finished look. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.